Hi, I'm Kevin. It's me again. Okay, today let's continue to talk about battery. I think this is a topic that affects a lot of you since most of us use MacBook. All right, when you see the message replace now, do you really need to change your battery now or service battery? Sometimes come out service battery, replace now, or whatever lah. Sometimes like that the message come out there on top. We would say actually no need to rush and go and buy a new battery or change your battery anywhere. You can use these three what we call metrics to measure whether you need to change your battery now or you can do it later. First, measure by how many hours you still can use with your battery when it's fully charged 100%. Let's say if you can get 3, 4, 5 or even 6 hours, ignore that message and continue using your Mac like normal. It won't explode or weird things won't happen. Alright? Second metrics is you want to check whether your battery is swollen, bloated, or in Malay we say kembang. Alright, let me show you where the battery sits, then you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the back of the MacBook. Let's open it up. All MacBook batteries sit at the bottom here. Alright, this is on top of the keyboard and the trackpad. Okay, this is the keyboard, this is the trackpad. So if the battery is bloated or swollen, you will say, it's very hard for you to press the trackpad because the battery is down here. And when you press using the keyboard, you feel a bit weird, how we say. And the third sign you can see, if the battery is bloated, the case here will have a what you call oval shape. So when you press the side corner, you feel like the MacBook shaking. So if it's not shaking, it's fine. Alright? The third metric is when you charge your MacBook, when you charge it, do you feel like very hot here? Hot until the point you cannot touch it. It's like, very hot. Alright? That's all about battery. If you feel like any question, things like that, just ask us. If you want to reach out to us, alright?